our channel welcomes you today. I am primary students, Montessori School channel, Sanjeev Nagar. So let's start. Parts of plant. A plant has two main parts. The roots grow below the ground. The parts that grow above the ground is called the shoot. The stem, branches, leaf, buds, flowers and fruits are the parts of the plant. Shoot. This is a plant. Root, stem, branches, leaf, bud, flowers and fruits. Roots. Roots take in water and mineral from the soil. Roots also hold the plant in place. Stem. The stem holds the plants up. It also helps water, mineral and food to travel through the plants. Branches. Leaves, flowers and fruits grow on branches. Leaf. The green leaves make food. Buds grow into flowers. The flowers dries up to become the fruits. Fruits have seeds. In them a seed grows into a new plant. Roots grow underground. They hold the plants firmly in the soil. There are two kinds of roots. This is a taproot. It has a thick part which goes very deep into the soil. It gives us out branches which spread out. This is a fibrous roots. It does not grow very deep. It just branches out in all directions. Roots take in water and mineral from the soil. Mineral are the salt found in the soil. They help the plant to grow and stay healthy. These travel through the stem and branches to each leaf. We eat some taproots like radish, turnip and carrots. The stem helps the plant to stand up. Branches grow from the stem. Leaves, flowers and fruits grow on the branch. A stem of a tree is called trunk. Water and mineral taken by the roots travel up the stem and the branches to reach the leaves. The food made in the leaves goes through the branches and stem to the whole plant. The stem has tubes like drinking straw. Inside it, these help water, mineral and food to go up and down. स्टेम एक ड्रिंकिंग स्ट्रॉ की तरह होता है जो वाटर को ऊपर नीचे करने में हेल्प करता है. We eat some stem like ginger, potato and sugar cane. The leaves. Plants make food only in its green leaves. Leaves are green as they have chlorophyll in them. Without chlorophyll, leaves cannot make food. Green leaves use sunlight, carbon dioxide and water to make food. Leaves take in a carbon dioxide through their very small holes called stomata. We cannot see stomata with our eyes. They use water taken by the roots. Leaves give off oxygen through the stomata. Extra water from the leaves also goes out through the stomata. लीव्स क्या करते हैं? ऑक्सीजन को लीव करते हैं एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को ऑब्जर्व करते हैं. द वाइन्स इन अ लीफ आर लाइक वेरी थिन ट्यूब. दे टेक्स वाटर टू एवरी पार्ट्स ऑफ द लीफ. द वाइन ऑल्सो कैरी रेडी फूड फ्रॉम द लीव्स टू द ब्रांचेस. प्लांट्स मेक फूड when there is light at night or when it is dark. Leaves cannot make food. The plants continue to breathe like us. It takes in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. We eat like some leaves, cabbage and mint, spinach. Some leaves like spinach, mint and cabbage. हम देखते हैं यहाँ पे कि कुछ लीव्स होती हैं जिन्हें हम ईट करते हैं जो हमारे हेल्थ के लिए बहुत अच्छी होती हैं. See, flowers, fruits and seeds. These are also important parts of the plants. Flower helps to make new plants. Flower turn into fruits which have seeds inside them. Each seed has a baby plants inside it. It also has some stored food for the baby plants. The seed gets water, air and warmth. The baby plants start growing. We eat some flowers like pumpkin and banana and we eat some seeds like green green peas, beans, rice and wheat. Plants stored food in different parts. We can eat many of the parts. Thank you. Bye. Good day. Take care.